Now we're going to go through how to play the E major chord. First finger is going to go on the G string of the first fret. Again, make sure you've got a good arch on the fingers because this finger does have a tendency to touch the B string when people first start playing. If it does that, all you're going to do is get the B string sounding really dead. We don't want that. So nice arch on the fingers, fingertips as much as possible. There you go. Second finger goes on the A string second fret, and the third finger goes on the D string second fret. Same as always, get your fingers as close to the fret end as you can without touching the frets. Fingertips, nice arch on the fingers. Play each note of the chord individually. This is an E chord, so you're going to be playing from the E string. So E, A, D, G, B, and E. They're all sounding correct. Give the chord a strum. Fingers off, put them back on, start again. If at any point any of the notes don't sound correct, you're going to have to evaluate how your fingers are touching the strings and make sure that you're getting them sounding right. So if you get something like this, notice there, my G string sounds dead, and the reason why that is I can feel that I'm touching the string where I shouldn't be with the third finger. So my third finger hasn't got enough of the arch on the finger and hasn't got the fingertip on the string it's desired to play as good as it can do. So that finger was touching my G string when it shouldn't have been. So I've rearranged my fingers. I'm going to try playing those ones again. Now the B string isn't sounding correct, and that is because I can feel, and I'm evaluating myself, I can feel that my first finger is touching the B string. So that means I need to get my fingertip on that G string more, and I need to make sure that this finger is arched enough that it's not touching the B string. So now I've played the notes again. Now every note sounds correct. Strum the chord, fingers off, start again. And that's your E major chord.